Hey guys, this is Lord Guy 777 and welcome to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction. In the last episode, we fixed the Aphelion ship back on Planet Fastoon. We flew through some space pirates, and then we landed on this planet Mukau to enter a fight tournament or something like that. First thing of note and importance is this shop for armor. We can use our bolts to buy some extra armor to absorb some extra damage. So we want this most definitely. And voila. Much nicer. And will take a good chunk less damage. I don't know. Okay. On more important news, around these areas there are these tachyon statues that you want to pick up. They're handy for something later. There's one up here. From my knowledge, the only way to get up high enough is with the rocket boost pack. But yeah, you can see them. They're just kind of scattered around. Didn't realize how many of them there were in this one area. Weapons. Oh, yes, we have to pick up a certain weapon here. This Shard Reaper. This is a really awesome weapon. Too bad you don't get to use it for the whole game, because it'll eventually get outclassed, but for now, this thing is awesome. And well, before we really do anything, we're gonna upgrade it a few times. Give it higher speed. But this is a shotgun weapon, which already makes it nice. But it's also really powerful. And it can take things out from quite far away. So that is quite handy. There we go. Get over. Want to be level this thing up. Ah! Caught me off guard. Because this will be handy later. Because we will run into some pretty powerful enemies. But for now, it's kind of just there to take out the groups of these small enemies, because no matter what, they always take one hit, and that is handy. We will get around to this later. I mean, that is something we can do once we have a later item, but all you get up there is a bolt. So we want to be going over here. And zipline grapple. Ah! Didn't want to. Yeah. Oh, got it. So it's kind of dispatched. Here's one of those stronger enemies. Take a few hits. But something that is of slight disappointment is the fact that we probably won't get into the actual arena in this episode, because you know we have to get through this area first, and well, yeah, I lost my train of thought. Here's some jump balls. Get you up here, teleporter. No, not a teleporter. But we do have some enemies. Want to destroy them. Ah! And I died. I should not be dying this much so early on in the game. Because we are still pretty early in the game. There. No, there we go. 4 hits, while some other weapon would probably take a good few more hits. Shock Ravager, this guy. Ah. The combustor is already becoming a slightly not as useful weapon. It takes a good amount of shots to kill anything. Get it? Okay. And here we have another jump pad, look around, make sure you don't miss anything. And is there another Tachyon statue up here? I'm missing one of them. And I don't really remember where the other one is. No, it's not up here. We just hit some rare titanium. But yeah, there is one more Tachyon. Oh wait, no, I remember. I remember where it is now. It's back in the front area thing. Ow. Oh, handy. We managed to pick up some life right beforehand. So, grab on. Zip, that's a zip line. Shotgun. Boom. Oh, all that works. Buy ammo. Shard Reaper. No. I'll give some more damage, because damage is always nice. Especially when it comes to Ratchet. 2 shots to defeat those guys. And come on. Boom. Easy peasy. Lemon squeeze. Oh. We have some more guys up here. Oh, we can actually get some more wood back here, which is pretty impressive. Oh yeah! Right. If we destroy stuff with our blaster, we get rare titanium. I kind of forgot about that. I probably should have been paying attention. I looked away for a second and all of a sudden I was in the water. Oh no. I will meet you back at the spot that we were in. I'll see you there. Oh, seriously. Whoa. Wait, what? Okay, we are back and we are are in the vending machine to upgrade weapons and get ammo. So, more stuff. Let's go. Ah, something in my eye. Let's go. Let's do this. Ah, get them. And let's deal. Oh, oh, level 2. That's nice. You can see it's got a lot of power for this point in the game. But, the only really interesting thing that happened while I was gone was, my combustor is now level 4. So, if we level it up once more, it will do something. Oh, there's a little area back there. But there's nothing in it. Okay, moving on. Destroy these, destroy this. Pick up the bolts. Destroy these. Ah, especially destroy these. Whoa. No thanks. Zap these. And continue. Right after destroying this. My gun is better than your gun. Does more damage. Ah. Get him. Ah. Tackin. Watch out for the Tackin statues. They shoot fire out of their eyes. Yeah. Ah. So watch out before you cross. There's a skill point here for if you have a certain item that I didn't quite pick up yet. And you have to... No. I will meet you guys there again. Hmm. And we are back. We are back at the vending machine. Use more shard titanium stuff damage. And this time, let's failure. I have failed this route many more times. And I just want to get over them with it. Good thing I have this. Too bad. There we go. That. Blow you up. Oh, there we go. Get you. Health. Can't use it yet. You there. More health. Sure, that would have been handy last time. Yep. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Destroy this. And we have now made it to the arena. Let's use this. Go over here. Fast shooting. And now my timer's completely messed up because of all my deaths. I think we still have a good amount of time left. So we can go into the arena.
Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming our guest of honor, your Cragmite Overlord and my new best friend, Emperor Tachyon! Let the battle begin! For our first challenge,
So
will have to battle his way through
that's
3 rounds
one
to
heck
determine
of a
ourselves
costume
versus
for
killing
me.
machines. Are you ready? Now let's
Totally
start
don't look
the
like the
match.
Lombacks.
Our challenger comes to us from
But yeah,
the
it works, and this is an arena stage. Probably should switch over to my combustor. It's gonna need this thing. This thing is gonna run out of usability very soon, and I wanna at least get it up to full power. Yeah, these arena stages are rounds of enemies coming at you, and you have to defeat all of the rounds before they kill you, and or you fall into lava round stage. Well, this game has some quite fun arena stages. Really, arena stages in general are fun in Ratchet and Clank. But these the ones in Ratchet and Clank Crack in Time are, in my opinion, the best arena stages. But this one is quite good as well. If you couldn't tell, I can't really wait to get to Crack in Time, but that's a long ways away. And we are still here. We're still early in this game, so probably shouldn't really talking about how talking about the next game in the series. Because I'm not gonna be doing all 3 games in a row. Oh, hey. And we now have our boss monster thingamajig. We have a refill of ammo and oh, and we just want to circle, shoot, and that's about it. It's pretty easy boss. Trying to suck us in, holding back on your control stick. But yeah. Also some sad news. The blue PS3 controller that I have been playing this on with and recording with bit the dust finally. Which is to be expected of something as old as it was. But yeah. Oh, hey, I won. Oh, so that's how you win them. Okay. That makes sense.
Congratulations! You remind me of me when I was a young fighter. Only shorter and less strapping.
Quark, do you mind telling us what you're doing working for Tachyon?
Oh, just a little thing I like to call saving the universe. There I was, surrounded by Tachyon's minions, perched on the brink of certain death, staring into the icy precipice of the inevitable. I knew I had to take action. I engaged my foes, channeling days of kung fu classes and dispatching my crouching kitten style with lethal precision. But alas, these rock-hard pecs and unbridled machismo can only hold out for so long. After destroying 2,000 of them, a lucky shot rendered me unconscious. For the safety of the good citizens of Kurwan, I swore allegiance to Tachyon's army and became his confidant.
Which means you used your powers as a world-class suck-up to save your own hide.
Little column A, little column B. Here, take this. It'll explain everything. The optical relay is damaged, but maybe you can find a ship to play it on.
Great! Quit messing around and get over here. I have boils that require lancing.
Coming, Your Excellence. Pray for me.
And I really have no clue how I'm doing on time, so I'm gonna end the video here. In the next episode we're gonna do these arena challenges. So I don't think there will be much story progress in that episode, but oh well.